The story of Jambukeshwar temple. Once Parvati mocked Shiva's penance for betterment of the world. Shiva wanted to condemn her act and directed her to go to the earth from Kailash, Shiva's abode, to do penance. She made a lingam out of water of river Kaveri, also called as river Poni, under the Vain Naval tree, on top of the Saint Jambu, and commenced her worship. The lingam is known as a Pulingam, water lingam. There were two Shiva Ganas, Shiva's disciples who live in Kailash, Malyavan, and Pushpadanta. Though they are Shiva Ganas, they always quarrel with each other and fight for one thing or other. In one fight, Malyavan cursed Pushpadanta to become an elephant on earth, and the latter cursed the former to become a spider on earth. The elephant and the spider came to Jambukeshwara tree and continued their Shiva worship. The elephant collected water from river Kaveri and conducted ablution to the lingam under the Jambu tree, Eugenia jambolna, the Java plum tree, daily. The spider constructed his web over the lingam to prevent dry leaves from dropping on it and prevent sunlight directly falling on it. When the elephant saw the web and thought it was dust on lingam, the elephant tore them and cleaned the lingam by pouring water, and the practice continued daily. The spider became angry one day and crawled into the trunk of the elephant and bit the elephant to death, killing itself. Shiva, in the form of Jambukeswara, moved by the deep devotion of the two, relieved them from the curse. Later the name, Thiruvanaka, as an outcome of having committed a sin by killing the elephant, in the next birth, the spider was born as the king Kochengot Chola, Kochenganan Cholan meaning red-eyed king, and built 70 temples, and this temple is the one among them. The account of the Chola building 70 temples along with this temple is mentioned in Nalayira Divya Prabandham. Remembering his enmity with the elephant in his previous birth, he built the Shiva Sanathi, sanctorum, such that not even a small elephant can enter. The entrance on the sanctorum of Jambukeswara is only 1.2 meters, 4 feet, high and 0.76 meters, 2.5 feet, wide.